Welcome to Imran Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are live from Istanbul, near the Bosphorus, and we have come here to the special restaurant, a dream of a restaurant. I've ticked it off the bucket list, and that is to show you Turkish breakfast. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm in Turkey, and if you want to join my trip around Turkey, you can do so by subscribing to my new channel, Don Imran, and the links are in the description and the pinned comments. So do go over there once you viewed this entire video. Okay, so we've come over here. This is called Türk Kahvaltısı, which means Turkish breakfast. And it's a place that I've seen in a few vlogs. I've seen some well-known people come over here, and I want to show you exactly where that place is. So this is, behind me, the Bosphorus. This is why I say this is the best city in the world, because the Bosphorus, the view of this city is just something beyond imagination. Honey, red pepper paste, cheese over here, some salami, some green olives, some tomatoes, cheese, watermelon, more cheese, and then obviously some cucumbers. Then we have some egg over here, and some fries, and oh my days. We have tahini, we have yogurt, there's like some of this dried fruit with some of these walnuts, kaymak and honey as well. We have some Turkish tea, and we have black olives, and then we have ekmek, bread, and we have simit as well. So I hope you guys are saying afterwards also to me, and it's time to eat. First and foremost, the amount of little mezes that we have is abundant. You know, we're in the Bosphorus, and the Bosphorus behind us, but then this is the Bosphorus over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip in. I'm gonna be a bit lazy, not gonna put it into my plate. So what I'm gonna do, I've got some bread over here, some ekmek as they say in Turkish. And here we have some za'atar with some olive oil. Let me have this. This is actually one of my favorite things to have. Very simple. Let me just dip that, and let me actually have this. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. By the way, you're going to see a lot of that right now. Now, we have this one over here, which is, oh my, red pepper paste. Oh my days, red pepper paste. Let me actually take a bite of this one. Bismillah. We have some egg over here. Let me just, okay. Bismillah. That's really well made. I like the way, with egg, it really comes down to how well you cook it, how fast you cook it, not overly cooking it, not undercooking it. This is very famous. This is kaymak, which is Turkish clotted cream with some honey. So I've got a cream over here. It's a little bit firm, even the honey itself. I love honey. The honey is like so special. Okay. Bismillah. Oh my days. I can't even believe I'm over here, you know? And then I'm having this as well. It's really creamy. So you've got this honey, which is, it's a little bit viscous. And then when you're having the clotted cream, it's so creamy. So that blend is just, I can't even describe it. Well, green olives over here. Let's place that in. Now my eyes have gone on to the tahini over here. Tahini, as you would have seen, I've made hummus with this in the past. Bismillah. I just want to say wow so loud, but everyone's going to look at me, so I don't want to do that right now. Now, one of my favorite things to have with Turkish breakfast, which is always served with Turkish breakfast, is the cheese over here. So let me just place this cheese. Now my eyes have gone to the salami over here. Look at this, absolutely wonderful. So the salami, get the salami piece over here, put the cheese over here. Okay, I'll get a piece of cheese. I'm gonna go back into this red pepper paste. I think this will do really well with this combination. So salami, cheese, and red pepper paste with the bread. Bismillah. This is the best breakfast on the planet, in the best city in the world, with the best foods in the world. Now, I've not done a food vlog before, but I was like, I need to do a vlog that is going to be, it's gonna start with a bang, really. And that's what we've done over here today. Come over here, was actually walking by, and I've seen this in videos in the past, and I was like, I really want to go there, but I didn't know where it was. And I was walking by, and I saw the picture, and I was like, oh, this is the place. So we walked upstairs, and we've got this. So the wait was worth it, because we was trying to find Turkish breakfast, but we couldn't find it. Well, there's certain things I haven't even had yet, I haven't even touched it. Like there's some cheese over here as well. Now, a lot of the stuff over here is so fresh. It's just so nutritious. It's so fresh, it's organic. It's very lightweight as well, because you're having so much, but it's not so dense that it actually bloats you up or anything like that. It's really, really good in that aspect. So even though you're having so much, I'm not someone that's really a big eater, and you guys may be kind of thinking, oh, that's quite ironic, you've got a food channel. I'm not the biggest eater, but one thing is that when I eat, if the food isn't so dense, it becomes easy for someone like me to actually devour this. And when the food is so delicious as well, on top of that, it's very nutritious, organic, it's fresh, it's very easy to have this. One of my favorite fruits, watermelon, bismillah. This is a treat. Now this is Simit. Now this is a donut-shaped bread with sesame seeds, okay? I like stuff that has sesame seeds around it. Just bismillah. That's marvelous. The sesame seed, the texture of this, is a little bit more firm than the normal Turkish bread that you have. The sesame seeds around it, the texture, wow. This is my favorite breakfast on the planet. And not just mine, my family's. They always say this as well. So what I'm gonna do before I actually proceed is have some of this Turkish chai. This comes with the breakfast as well. Bismillah. This is very famous. This comes from the tea, grows in a province called Rize in Turkey. It's in the northeast or the north of Turkey, the Black Sea region. And Turkey is the 5th largest producer of tea on the planet. So they have a huge tea culture over here, and you get this always. So many times you go to the restaurant and you'll get like a free Turkish coffee with it. I mean, Turkish tea with it, and it's absolutely delicious. Now, that was spring roll. I wasn't expecting a spring roll here. Let me just taste this. Bismillah. Oh, lezzetli. This is really good. This is delicious. They've got some cheese inside of it. There's some cheese inside the spring roll. Here we have some strawberry jam. So let me try this out. Bismillah. This is a breakfast. This is a cheat cold breakfast, you know? That's what I'm gonna call it. A cheat cold breakfast. Now here, I have I got some cheese with some herbs in this one. Bismillah. Oh. That cheese is different. Oh my days. The herb in it. That is, look, you guys have to travel to Istanbul, get a plane, come straight over here. Doesn't matter about the red zone, whatever they say, just try that cheese. That's how good it is. Now let me try some of this. This is one of my favorite things. Walnut. Some say that it's good for your brain because it's shaped like a brain. It actually makes your brain sharper. So let's see. Let me try this out. Bismillah. I also got some caramel latte on top of this. It didn't come part of the breakfast, but I've got it separately. the sweetness of it, so delicious. Not so sweet, but it's got that caramel kick, that caramel zip. Really good. Bismillah. And then black olives. I think this is the final one, the final piece in the jigsaw. You know, this jigsaw is quite a big jigsaw. Bismillah. Oh, the different blends. It's like, what can you say? Like there's one thing happening here, one thing happening there, one thing happening over here. There's like different things that happen in terms of the taste. You know, you're going through like you know, some people say emotional roller coaster. You're going through a food roller coaster over here, a taste bud roller coaster over here. You're going through all of these sort of things. All right, guys. So let me show you around this restaurant. So you have like an elevated seating area over here. Obviously, you can sit over here. Wherever you sit, you've got like this wonderful view of the Bosphorus. The Bosphorus is, if you ever read up on the history of the Bosphorus, you're gonna know what it is. It's so special. Let's keep walking. So just follow me. So I've wanted to come here for a long time, for like over a year now. When I saw this on some vlogs, on some YouTube videos, and if you look on this area, again. It's a very nice sitting area, and then you've got like these jamis, these masjids, these mosques. So this is where that famous place is where you take a photo. So come up with me. Oh my days! What a magnificent view! I'm going to finish off with this wonderful view. Look behind. This is the Bosphorus. This is Istanbul, Turkey. So in 1453, this became Istanbul. Prior to this, it was called Constantinople, or some in this region, in this part of the world, they call it Constantine. For me, it's the best city in the world, you know? Just so privileged to be here and to be having this food with this view, with you guys watching it. So with that said, catch you in the next one.